What's happening, folks? I have arrived at Walmart in here. Do this real quick. Hopefully, I actually do have to hit a second store. I'm gonna have to tag Publix because I do not get my cheese out of anywhere else if I can help it but Publix. Because Publix usually has a sale going on cheese, buy one get one. So can't beat that with a broomstick, partner. Get you this good Rico cheese here. Nothing guaranteed and ain't nothing promised, so live every second like it's your last. Every last single one. Cause you never know when it's gonna be. Don't make presumptions that you're gonna get tomorrow. Don't make presumptions you're gonna get tonight. As long as you within bounds, man, but live life. We're gonna get this one. Although the green chili does look good. Bang. This is what we're gonna do, guys. I like to be different. So you know what? We're gonna get both. Mild green chili salsa. Mild. Red look like this the only choice I got. Everybody been on miles. Dang. I think that's about it. Nope, I gotta get some chips. Then we done. Go with the crowd favorite. Get these for the boys to go with their nachos. Make their little nachos, dipping nachos, and Santitas, where are you? I'm looking for you. We have different uses, you know what I mean? Everyone, I think we finally finished at Walmart, so go ahead and check out and hit those Sam's. Let me make sure Bae ain't texting me something while I'm in here. Then I'm about to leave. Park the buggy. And gotta get Alex's drinking water. Catch you guys in a minute. Well, guys, I'm here in Sam's. Had to come and just yank a rotisserie real quick because their rotisseries hands down are the best outside hours, but we don't have time to make one today, so we just gonna go ahead and support Sam's. Purchase one of theirs. Why not? Makes my life easier. Think we might find a one-on-one chicken dinner. I'll catch you guys when I get back to the house. I gotta hold this. It's kind of hot. Kind of hot. So guys, here I am at Publix. Get this cheese. So we're taking it on to the crib. Call it a wrap. Like I said, buy one, get one. Always. Publix is usually on point. 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be Sargento, but every once in a while you'll get lucky and you'll catch some Kraft. So get this cheese so I can go to the house so we can get this meal started.
The next day.
What's up, YouTube? It's Jazz and we are back again with another Taco Thursday this time, actually. Today we're going to be making our famous Rotel. Really not famous because everybody makes Rotel, but we're going to make Rotel and actually a chicken enchilada bake, so stay tuned. If you are new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that every time we post a video, you will be notified. Now, let's jump into this Taco Thursday. First, I'm going to start with my ground turkey. Now I think I remember us telling you guys last cooking video that we really don't eat beef, just every once in a while, like with certain meals. So today I'm going to actually be making our Rotel with ground turkey. People hate to make Rotel with ground turkey because they feel like ground turkey is so flavorless, but I guess if you do it right, it don't turn out too bad. So we usually use ground turkey all the time and people love it. Cooking is all about what you make of it, really. So I'm going to brown this meat and then we'll see you guys when I'm done. Now I'm gonna put a few seasonings in here. I'm gonna put a little seasoning salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some Cajun seasoning for the spice. Okay, our meat is done and I've drained it. Now I'm about to start adding our cheese cup by cup. Now, another thing that most people like to use for their Rotel is the block cheese or Velveeta, but we actually like to use cheese sauce that it comes in a can, so I mean it's still pre-made, but it's more like a nacho cheese type. Velveeta cheese to us is kind of gummy. This cheese is more like a sauce. It's a little bit more loose. Now I'm going to add a can of my Rotel tomatoes. And stir that up. More cheese. Cream cheese. We got one more can of Rotel tomatoes. Last cup of cheese. I used about 5 cups of cheese. That's about a pound, which is about the size of the block that everyone uses. I've reduced the heat and gave it a good stir. Now I'm gonna put the top on it and let it sit and get all mixed in and cooked together.